Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has said that the company is on track to achieve 1 million vehicle production in 2023. This is a huge milestone for Tesla, and it would put the company on par with some of the biggest automakers in the world. So what does this mean to the future of Tesla? Is it even possible? Tesla CEO Elon Musk has said that the company is on track to achieve 1 million vehicle production in 2023. This would be a significant milestone for Tesla, which has only produced around 500,000 vehicles per year in recent years. Musk made the announcement during a conference call with investors on January 25, 2003. He said that Tesla is on track to produce 1.5 million vehicles in 2023 and that it could even produce 2 million vehicles if demand is strong. Musk's prediction is based on Tesla's current production capacity and its plans to expand its production capacity in the coming years. Tesla is currently building new factories in Austin, Texas and Berlin, Germany. These factories are expected to be operational in 2023, and they will help Tesla to increase its production capacity significantly. In addition to its new factories, Tesla is also working on new vehicle models. The company is expected to release a new electric SUV, the Tesla Cybertruck, in 2023. The Cybertruck is expected to be a popular vehicle, and it could help Tesla to achieve its production goals. Musk's prediction that Tesla will produce 1 million vehicles in 2023 is ambitious, but it is not impossible. Tesla has a history of achieving ambitious goals, and it has the resources to make its production goals a reality. If Tesla is able to achieve its production goals, it will be a major milestone for the company and for the electric vehicle industry. Beyond the existing expansion plans in Austin and Berlin, Elon Musk has alluded to the potential for future factory developments in other parts of the world, increasing Tesla's production capabilities and geographic distribution. This international expansion is vital for Tesla to meet the varying demands and regulations across global markets. The manufacturing process improvements also play a crucial role in Tesla's ambitious production targets. The company is continuously innovating its manufacturing processes with plans to introduce more automation and streamline assembly lines. This efficiency boost could be a game changer in helping Tesla reach the 1 million mark. The fact that Tesla's product lineup is expanding bodes well for the company's goals. Beyond the eagerly anticipated Cybertruck, the company has announced the development of the Roadster 2.0 and the Semi, both of which could add to the production volume and diversify Tesla's offerings, potentially attracting new consumer segments. Increased production capacity also signifies Tesla's preparation for growing market demand. More countries are planning to phase out internal combustion engine vehicles in favor of electric vehicles to combat climate change, which is likely to drive demand for EVs even higher in the next few years. Another critical factor that could play into Tesla's favor is the advancement in battery technology. Tesla has been investing heavily in its own battery development and manufacturing, known as the Roadrunner project. If Tesla can improve its battery technology and production efficiency, it could significantly reduce production costs and time, enabling the company to hit the ambitious target set by Musk. However, it's worth noting that while Musk's targets are aspirational and motivating, they should be viewed with a degree of caution, as Tesla has faced criticism in the past for falling short of Musk's ambitious timelines. But even with potential obstacles, achieving the 1 million vehicles target in 2023 or shortly thereafter would cement Tesla's position at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. Challenges to achieve 1 million vehicle production. While Tesla is on track to achieve 1 million vehicle production in 2023, there are a number of challenges that the company will need to overcome. One challenge is the global chip shortage. The chip shortage has affected the entire automotive industry, and it has made it difficult for Tesla to produce vehicles. Tesla has been able to mitigate the impact of the chip shortage by using alternative chips and by prioritizing production of its most popular models. However, the chip shortage is still a challenge that Tesla will need to overcome in order to achieve its production goals. Another challenge is the rising cost of raw materials. The cost of raw materials, such as lithium and cobalt, has been rising in recent years. This has made it more expensive for Tesla to produce vehicles. Tesla has been able to offset the rising cost of raw materials by increasing the prices of its vehicles. However, the rising cost of raw materials is still a challenge that Tesla will need to overcome in order to achieve its production goals. A third hurdle that Tesla might face is labor constraints. Manufacturing 1 million vehicles is a labor-intensive process, requiring a significant number of skilled laborers, engineers, and other professionals. In an increasingly competitive market, Tesla must not only attract but also retain the top talent needed to meet these ambitious production goals. The company must provide competitive compensation packages, maintain a strong company culture, and ensure the welfare of its employees to retain and attract the required workforce. Another obstacle is logistical bottlenecks. The global supply chain has been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic and other disruptions, leading to delays and increased costs. Ensuring a steady and reliable supply of parts and raw materials is a massive challenge. Furthermore, transporting these materials and the finished vehicles to their respective markets efficiently and economically is another logistical challenge. Tesla needs to have robust supply chain management and flexible logistical solutions to meet its production target. Regulatory challenges are also a significant consideration. As Tesla expands its production, it must comply with the regulatory requirements of various regions, including environmental standards, safety norms, vehicle regulations, etc. The company must ensure it stays ahead of any regulatory changes and is able to adapt its production processes quickly and efficiently. Lastly, the challenge of maintaining quality while increasing quantity cannot be overlooked. Tesla has faced criticism in the past for perceived quality control issues. As the company ramps up its production to 1 million vehicles, it must also maintain the high standards of quality and performance that its customers expect. Balancing quality and quantity is an art in itself and will be crucial to Tesla's success. Benefits of achieving 1 million vehicle production. For Tesla, achieving 1 million vehicle production would mean that the company is now a major player in the automotive industry. Tesla would be able to compete with traditional automakers such as Toyota and General Motors. Tesla would also be able to generate significant revenue, which would help the company to fund its research and development efforts. For the electric vehicle industry, achieving 1 million vehicle production would be a major milestone. It would show that electric vehicles are now a viable alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. It would also help to accelerate the transition to a sustainable transportation system. Aside from becoming a major player in the automotive industry, hitting the 1 million vehicle production milestone would significantly boost Tesla's brand reputation and influence. The achievement would confirm Tesla's position as a market leader and innovator in electric vehicle production, enhancing consumer trust and loyalty. On a broader scale, Tesla's success could act as a catalyst for the entire electric vehicle industry. With one company showing it's possible to produce electric vehicles on such a large scale, others may be inspired to ramp up their efforts. This could lead to an overall increase in the production of EVs globally, fostering more intense competition, which in turn would likely result in technological advancements, better customer offerings, and more affordable electric vehicles. For society and the environment, the production of 1 million electric vehicles by Tesla alone would represent a substantial reduction in greenhouse gas emissions compared to if these were combustion engine vehicles. This would contribute to global efforts against climate change and reduce air pollution, improving public health. Furthermore, increased EV production would stimulate the growth and development of associated industries and infrastructure, such as EV charging networks, energy storage, and renewable energy production. This could lead to job creation and economic growth in these areas, providing a wider benefit to the economy. Finally, the success of Tesla's ambitious goal would attract more investments into the EV sector, which would further drive innovation and advancements in the industry. It would help normalize EVs in society, encouraging consumers to consider EVs as a reliable and practical choice for their transportation needs. Elon Musk has said that the Tesla company is on track to achieve 1 million vehicle production in 2023. This would be a major milestone for Tesla, the electric vehicle industry, and the global transportation system. While there are a number of challenges that Tesla will need to overcome, the company has the resources and the momentum to make its production goals a reality. Will Tesla be able to achieve its goal of 1 million vehicle production in 2023? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, Tesla is a company to watch. What do you think about Tesla and the future of electric vehicles? Let us know in the comments.